YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Tammy Rose back with another video, and today is spring break number 2. So since yesterday was spring break number 1, go see that video because the card will be right here. So make sure you see that video. And today is a very exciting video because I'm letting my Instagram followers decide what I'm gonna do today. So if you don't have me on Instagram, just follow me right here. Surely do this again because I don't have a lot of followers, so I'm definitely gonna be doing this again. Follow me on my social medias on Instagram, and make sure you follow me on my Snapchat because I'm on there 24/7. And make sure you subscribe to the Reels Crew. Make sure you like this video, comment, you know what to do, and make sure you click that bell because that bell will make sure you know that I put out a new video. So with that, all that said, we're gonna start our video now. So since it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon because I woke up mad late, I have to eat me some food. But we're not gonna skip no breakfast. We're not skipping breakfast. What is that? So right now I'm actually craving me some cereal because I have got me some new cereal. So, and y'all just decided that I should have some cereal. So today I'm about to get me some cereal, okay? So we're about to go to the kitchen and get us some cereal. So we're in my kitchen at my apartment right now. Y'all said cereal. We're gonna get us some nice cereal. So this morning breakfast will be some Fruity Pebbles. Y'all know they are the best cereal ever. And tell me if you like Fruity Pebbles because they're so good. So y'all chose good. So y'all really gotta I really wanted cereal. The next thing I asked, what should I do on my free time? Should I do homework or should I clean up this room? So y'all picked clean up this room. I'm happy y'all actually did that because I really do have to clean up my room. And I really have to take out trash. So thank y'all for choosing clean up my room because the girl have to clean up my room bad. Clean all this on my bed and take out the trash because the trash needs to go out. So y'all, so I'm sorry about the vent because the vent is always on when I put on the light and stuff like that. Sorry. Okay, so the next thing I put on Snapchat was how should I do my hair? Should I have it back or should I have my 2 ponytails? And guess what y'all picked? Y'all picked the 2 ponytails. Why can't y'all could have just kept it just like this and let me go on my way, but now y'all want me to do these ponytails. So I have like some of my rubber bands. I mean, I only got 1 rubber band, so we're gonna see how this goes. Me and my hair really don't be doing well with each other, so y'all gonna see me, I guess, do my ponytails, stuff like that. So I got my 2 little buns in. It wasn't difficult. I mean, it was, but this one, I hate doing buns, like I really do. and I low-key look like my little twin Mimi. Okay, y'all, so I cleaned my room. I took out the trash. You can see behind me is really clean. I did my little baby buns and I ate my cereal. And then the next question that I asked y'all was, what type of makeup look should I do? Should I do a natural look or should I do a dramatic look? And y'all actually voted for dramatic. Like, I do not like dramatic. I do not like dramatic. Dramatic is dramatic. Like, I don't know what type of look I was gonna go for, but I really only have a little of eyeshadows because I don't wear eyeshadows except like natural eyeshadow colors. So like browns and nudes and whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through these little pink little palettes that I had got for Christmas and actually like try to do something with my face. So so I'm gonna go with a purple, like a purple pink color with some dramatic type shit. This look like glitter. Oh, it don't supposed to be glitter. Okay. But yeah, it's getting dark outside. So right now I have my light on and I apologize about that it's getting dark since I woke up very late. So I'm gonna get this little purple color on my eye. See, it's a shimmer. You can tell I do not like use these. It's a shimmer. No, I didn't want shimmer, but we just gonna go with it. I'm like doing my job. I'm not gonna do it. I don't know. And with my pink on this side, I just want to see how it is gonna go out. And I'm gonna go with the AOA Studio EI 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna go in with a pink, a nice cute pink. I think it's this one. With this black and purple just to get a little darkness. Like, no, it's not like now. I can see this whole look. Oh my god, this is the look. So now we're gonna do this eyeliner since I don't want to do any more damage to my dang eyes that I got already, that I did. So this is the look right here, and it look ugly, but you know what? It's okay. So we're about to put on some eyelashes. I got these, I guess, for $1. $1? Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's okay with my little buns and stuff like that. So the next question that I asked y'all on Instagram was, what type of tea should I have? And y'all pick I think the green tea. And then I asked what type of snack should I have, and y'all said a kiwi. So we're doing good. Green tea is good for your body, and a kiwi is good for your body too. So I'm so happy y'all not going with ice cream. So we're gonna go back to the kitchen and get us some green tea and a kiwi. So y'all, we're gonna like make some different type of green tea. Like, I want to make some ice green tea. So it's with almond milk, sugar, and just the green tea. I just put my drink in the freezer and I'm gonna clean up, and then I'm gonna come back in my room with my snack, my kiwi, and then we can find out what else did y'all vote for it. So I got my little green tea, pinky up. We fancy. So it is so good. I love this. So then, and then I got my little kiwi. So we're gonna split this open, and then we're gonna find out what was the next question and what y'all results was. We got our kiwi. So, oh yeah, comment down below if y'all eat the kiwi skin, cause I eat the kiwi skin. I'm weird like that. So, the next question that was asked, that what should I do, I guess, for my free time when I'm, I guess, eating this, and I picked watching YouTube or watching a movie, and y'all said a movie. I wanted to watch my YouTube because I have so many videos on my watch later list that I have to watch because I really want to watch them. But since y'all said let's watch a movie, we're gonna watch a movie. So we're gonna watch Happy Death Day because I mean I didn't watch the first one, and I know they just came out with a second one, so I really want to watch this movie. Happy Death Day is good. The first one is real good, but I'm gonna come back when the next question I had asked y'all. So hey y'all, so I just finished the movie. The movie was so good. I'm ready to see that second one, to be honest with you. So comment down below if y'all seen that movie before and if you're ready to see that second one. And I don't know if it probably did come out already, so tell me if you already seen the movie. Just comment down below. The next question is, what should I make? What should I do for dinner? Should I like order delivery or should I cook for myself? Cooking, because I don't feel like doing the whole 9 when I just did all this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get something out my refrigerator, like a salad tonight, and eat that for dinner. So I'm back in the kitchen again. We only been in my room to this kitchen, and I'm going to be eating for dinner. So y'all said don't do delivery, make your own food. So I'm gonna get food out my refrigerator. I don't need to make food. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to eat today. I'm about to eat this chicken Caesar wrap. It's very good for you and stuff like that. And it looks good. It really do looks good. But we're about to really destroy this thing with some hot sauce. And to end this video for today, because I mean it's getting late. It is 7:15. I had asked y'all what type of tea should I drink for tonight, and y'all actually said I should do the sleepy time, the normal one, then the extra. I would like the extra sleepy time tea because a girl's trying to go to sleep, but I guess y'all don't want to see me sleepy, so I'm going to make me that and then make me the Caesar wrap and eat it for dinner. So that was the last question that I asked on Instagram, and I had fun today. I actually did have fun, to be honest with you. I really wouldn't even watch me a movie today if y'all didn't even tell me to watch a movie, and half of the stuff that I ate I really wouldn't be eating today either. So I really did have fun doing this. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and make sure you join the Rose Crew. But make sure you definitely follow my Instagram because we're going to be doing another one of these on my channel. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram and follow me on Snapchat because I'm always there 24/7. And y'all, I'm tired. I don't know why when I woke up so late, but I'm exhausted with this video. So I just want to get it done for today, and make sure you watch out for the other one on day 3 of my spring break. So yeah, and I love y'all so much. Bye.